welcome. This is me, JP Rose, singing vegan mum, and you've seen these cards, right? You've guessed it. It's my birthday. I'm 21 again. Can't you see I'm 21 again? So today, Sunday the 28th, is my birthday, and you know, yes, I'm going to make my own birthday cake, but that's not the recipe I'm going to do today. Today I'm going to make a lovely recipe, and it's going to be a muesli cookie. Well, it is birthday time, so I thought I'd keep with the sweet stuff. I thought I'd go to the breakfast sweet stuff. So guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is JP Rose. I'm a singer, I'm a vegan, I'm a mum. I've got a new single out called Gold. That's why I'm wearing gold now, because I'm preparing you for such times as when gold will be out, which is soon, April, which will just whiz away. Last week I had my video shoot. I've got a little bit of a clip to show you, really small at the end, and of course if you hang around to the very end you'll also see what I've been up to in the week. So guys, if you've never seen me before, I love to cook plant-based, nutritiously dense Caribbean food for your delectation. You will love it. So check out my channel. There are loads of wonderful recipes. I make them up, I mix them up, I just do things, and they are delicious. You don't have to be a vegan, just try my recipes, you will love it. Look, I'm in a good mood, it's my birthday, so hey. So guys, if you want to make me happy on this very day of my birthday, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Wish me happy birthday and subscribe if you haven't done so. So listen, let's get straight into it. My muesli cookie is really simple. It's the easiest recipe ever. Let's get into it. It's a lockdown birthday. Nothing happens in lockdown apart from lockdown. Okay, so our lovely muesli cookie. These are our ingredients. So I've got some cardamom pods here. I've got some whole wheat flour. I've got the muesli itself. I've got some rapeseed oil. I've got some plant milk, cinnamon, allspice and cardamom. You can do aniseed, but I choose cardamom today. And literally everything goes in at once. So 100 mils of whole wheat flour. Sorry, 200 mils, what am I saying? And 200 grams, well done, Kofi's with me. And 200 grams of muesli, mixed lovely muesli. Yeah, you can mix that up now if you want, so it's not a big job. Yeah, and then, oh, Kofi, could you get me a teaspoon, please? I forgot to get a teaspoon. And then, yeah, that'll do, lovely. Then I've got some cardamom seeds here, and I've crushed them. You could use aniseed if you like. It's going to be very subtle. It's going to be lovely. And then, thank you, Kofi. He has given me, I'm going to do a teaspoon of cinnamon. Oh, can't even get it in. I'm going to do it this way. Yeah, teaspoon of cinnamon. And then we have some allspice. A teaspoon of the wonderful allspice. This is your lovely breakfast cookie. So in the morning, you see, you can just have this if you are rushing out the door. Alright, so that's it. All the dry ingredients are in. And then this is 3 fluid ounces of oil. Rapeseed oil if you like. And 100 mils of plant milk. I use hemp milk, but you can use any milk you choose. And we literally mix it all together. So guys, I forgot the vanilla. So, nice, generous teaspoon of vanilla. But as you can see, it's all come together so nicely. Looking real good. Make sure everything is lovely and combined. Look at the bottom, there's still some dry bits. And look, it's just, and it smells great. I have greased a tray here, a cupcake tray, and then I'm literally gonna just put our cookies in the cupcakes, in the trays. Now you could, if you wanted to, put these in just a flat baking tray, but I decided to put it in this. So I still have loads of mixture left, so I'm going to keep going. This is the last one. Yeah. I think I might have been generous with the other ones, that's why. Too generous. Lovely. How many of these cookies are there, Coty? 12 in this one.
5 in that one.
So how many?
17.
17 cookies are going in the oven.
Cool, so schedule-wise.
So guys, it is a wrap. We did a little rehearsal and now we're ready for tomorrow. Having a good time, yeah. Fresh hair, fresh everything. Ready for the video shoot. Dad's staying with me and he's going for a lovely walk, and every now and then you lean up on one paw, isn't it, Dad?
I lean on the post, right?
Lean on the post, nice. I brought a chair. You're gonna keep walking. When you come back down, you're gonna sit on the chair. Or you want to sit down now?
I know.
Huh? Can you keep walking?
Well, yeah.
Look at that. Oh, people are ringing you at this time. All right, sit down now because they might talk to you. A hotline bling.
Handshake.
Hello, morning. Can I speak to Grandad, please?
There's Grandad.
Good morning, Miss Rita. Eh? Oh,
You were calling me. My son said you called when I went to the shop.
Here's Daddy having his second rest. Yeah, run up and down, Dad. While you're doing your exercise, I'm doing mine. I am so proud of my dad. Look at him. Determined to exercise, determined to get out. Look at this man. Look at this man. Look at this man. Top of the range. He every day gets a little bit better. Yeah, see that?
no problem.
Adriana in Dubai is going to see this and she's going to go, oh, Granddad's doing so well. I live in Essex and this guy is always playing hardcore Jamaican music, singing about all kinds of things. I had to capture it. Every week this guy's there doing this ganja stuff. What is this about? Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that recipe. It was fantastic. Here are the cookies. Lovely, really easy. Have it every morning. In fact, you can have it any time during the day. It's lovely. It smells gorgeous. I can just smell the cinnamon. Oh, it just smells so gorgeous. Now you know what happens now, right? It's a taste test, and the taste test always comes with when it comes to sort of cakes and cookies and stuff. My tea. Here's the tea. Here's the cookies. Now guys, remember I didn't put any sugar in this, so, and it's perfect for me because the raisins give it that sweetness. But you could add a couple of tablespoons of brown sugar or coconut sugar if you want to add that extra sweetness. But for me, this is absolutely perfect. It's so gorgeous, lovely with tea. In the morning, breakfast, fantastic. If you haven't got time for breakfast, make these. It's just a few ingredients from the night before. Grab a couple, go off to work, you'll love it. So guys, let me know if you try this recipe. It's nutritious, it's plant-based, it's gorgeous. So guys, it's my birthday, so don't forget to like, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this week's recipe. I will see you next time for healthy vegan options. I'm your girl. I'm your girl. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Woo!